Okay guys, we went thrifting. We're home now, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what we got. Sweater for Lena. It's really cute and really warm, and it's soft, and it zips up. You can see the cute little flower on the zipper. It's really nice. And yeah, this was one of the things I got for like I think 50 cents or a dollar. Secondly, this dress that I am in awe of. It's so vintagey and old-fashioned looking. Like, look at the buttons, you guys. And then look at the lace. Look at the sleeves. It's so doll-like. Like, it looks like something an old-fashioned doll would wear. It's gorgeous. And even though she can't wear it now because it's, like, freezing outside, when the weather does get warm enough, I'm gonna, like, I don't know, I think I might put, like, a vintagey lace, like, hair bow in her hair. That's really pretty. Then I got this shirt, of course, with from Phineas and Ferb with Perry the Platypus and Dr. Doofenshmirtz, I think his name is. For her, it's a long sleeve, so she can wear it now. It's really cute. I don't know if that was in the boys section or not. I just grabbed it, was not paying attention, but I was like, you know what? She likes Phineas and Ferb. It's her size. I'm getting it. Same thing with this one. This is, of course, Adventure Time, which is kind of our thing. We love Adventure Time. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, definitely getting this for her. So got that. And then I got this adorable little, I was thinking she might wear this tomorrow if we do go to Mass tomorrow. Depends on the weather. If it's really cold, then we won't go. But we were planning on going to Mass on Valentine's Day and then going to eat breakfast at IHOP. I don't know if it's cold. We won't be doing that, but if not, whatever, she'll wear it to school. It's really cute. It's like overall, as you can see, it buttons there. It's adorable. And then on the back, it's got like the little design at the bottom. It's really soft. I don't know what you call this fabric, suede or something. I don't know, but it's really, really soft and really cute. Then I got her these leggings. Well, they're jeggings actually. They look like jeans, but they're actually for like leggings, and they're just, you know, basic purple, really cute. I like those. Then I got this little shirt. What is cotton bally on it? Got this shirt for her. It's a little big actually. It says 5T, and she's growing into a 5T now. The funny thing is Lena is small, but she's long. She's like me when I was smaller. So it's like, even now I'm like that. So it's like I'll fit a size whatever, and then like I'll fit it in like width, I guess you could say. But then when it comes to length, my legs will be too long for it. And she has the same situation with her arms and legs. So this is a 5T, and it's pretty with the little bow at top, but it looks a little whatever, a little big, but her arms and everything, her torso and everything will fill it out. Then I got her these jeans. They're really basic. There's nothing too cute about them, you know. They're not stained or anything. It looks like that on camera, but it's just whitewashed in the center on both evenly. There's nothing wrong with them. I don't know why it looks like that on camera, but, or maybe it doesn't. Maybe that's just me, but these are basic jeans. Lena rarely wears jeans, but it's good to have those for class field trips and stuff, because as it gets to March, it's still freezing here in March. Here in Jersey, it still snows in March. I don't know where you guys are, but a lot of people are saying, like, you know, they're getting ready for spring and stuff. And I'm like, not here. It's 5 degrees outside right now, and it still snows in the winter here. So, I mean, it still snows in March here. It doesn't get cold till literally like the second or third week of May. That's when it starts getting nice. I mean, this, I got her a hoodie. This is a small, just a green hoodie with a little, you know, I wanted to get her some hoodies. That was the main thing I really came in there to get. Not to get like fashion-y clothes, because it's hard to be really fashionable when it's freezing cold out and you have a small kid, because at their age and 4 years old, they're just playing and stuff in school. Then I got her another hoodie with this cute little cheetah print, and it's all crazy different colors. It's adorable. Just something else. This is going to go with obviously something she wears on Sunday. It's really adorable. And it's like, you can see it's long sleeve, but the sweater comes up mid-waist, and obviously this is made to go over a dress or something, but she had one, a couple of these actually, but she outgrew them, so I made it a thing when I saw that to get that, because I was like, oh, she needs that. Then I got her this cute little Oshkosh size 5 hoodie again. It's all white and has pockets here, little lace going here, long sleeve, nice and soft. You can see that, because it is freezing here, and I want her to be as warm as possible, because they still go out sometimes during recess if it's not like super frigid. Like we've had days this week where it's been like today 15, 5 degrees. Then we had days where it's like 40 degrees. And when it's like 30 or 40, I don't think 30, but when it's still 40, they still go outside, even if it's for like 20 minutes to play. And I'm like, 20 minutes is enough for a 4-year-old to catch a cold. So I like to keep her warm at all times, especially when I have to run around and do errands. And you guys know I don't have a car, so it's like I usually don't leave my house till right when I know the bus is coming. But regardless, still just getting on and off the bus and being on the bus with other people, it's not something you want to do, and it's cold, so I try to keep her as warm as possible. This is actually a little big. I think it's a 5, yeah. Yeah, you can see that's a 5, but obviously this company runs a little large. But whatever, by the time it's warm enough for her to wear this in a month or so, she'll have grown into it. And if she doesn't, it's not big with a point where it's sloppy. Like it kind of looks cute like that. So when she does grow into it completely, she can wear it with no pants. And then until then, voila, I bought her these cute little Disney leggings that match it perfectly. And they're striped and they're adorable. Something else we got was these shoes. She literally saw these and was like, I want these Spider-Man shoes, and they're really cute. I mean, they're not perfect. As you can see, we got them thrifting, but whatever. I paid literally $1 for these. So